Hello, I'm Rochelle, and this is 720 Mullin Way in Burlington's practically perfect Pinedale neighborhood. Having been renovated, this house absolutely shines and is ready for you to call it home. But what really gets people excited about this Pinedale gem is access to the Centennial Trail. With a gate in the backyard, this home offers private access to the paved path that leads you through some of South Burlington's best parks and takes you all the way to the downtown waterfront on the shores of beautiful Lake Ontario. 720 Mullin Way is a 4-level side split, so when you first walk into the large foyer with inside entry from the garage, you'll find the main floor den perfect for an office with ground level access to the backyard and a fireplace to cozy up the side. Heading up to the first level, you're greeted by the professionally renovated main floor where the original layout was completely opened up to allow for the focal kitchen island with quartz counters and create those clear sight lines from the large windows showcasing the abundance of mature trees in the neighborhood. With space for a living room and full dining room, this level is the hub of a happy home. The kitchen was designed with space and flow in mind by a family who absolutely love to cook. Functionally, this kitchen is full of pleasant surprises. With an elevated deck off of the sliding doors overlooking the large pool-sized yard, you can enjoy the fruit trees, vegetable gardens, and grapevines because this is a gardener's dream yard. The upper level offers a large primary with a full wall of closet space, along with an adjacent renovated bathroom. The remaining 3 bedrooms have been freshly painted with newly installed flooring and have the added benefit of updated closet doors for even more of that natural light to bounce into the space. Heading down to the lowest level, it has been finished with a bright rec room as well as offering a full bathroom with shower, laundry room, and additional storage space. Now, if you're commuting to Toronto, you can walk to the Appleby GO station, which is less than a kilometer away via that paved path, or enjoy the quick access to the QEW. With shops, plazas, schools, playgrounds, and so much more within walking distance, this might just be the lifestyle you've been dreaming of. Thank you so much for taking a tour of 720 Mullin Way with me. Now, if you have any questions at all or would like to book your own private tour, please feel free to reach out. I am always happy to help. Until next time, keep it genuine.